be in as summoned it will continue.
Yeah, it will continue.
And what happens to new ministers because they will not be prepared to take the questions.
After all, they have to study. If they are becoming minister, they have to study the departments, the questions which are asked of the department.
So basically there is no question of postponing the assembly session right
Nothing else. Nothing.
now. Okay, and what about deputy speaker? Is it true that he is resigning now
At 12 o'clock,
at 12
he is
o'clock?
coming to resign.
And will you hold election for deputy speaker later
In this session only.
in this session only? Okay.
Today what time is the swearing is done?
Today is at 3:30. No?
3:30. The 4 new ministers.
Yeah.
Sir, with a thin opposition, what would be the lineup in the assembly? Because there will be too many people this side and too less people that side. How would you be changing the seat arrangement?
See, the arrangement will be done by my officers. I mean, under the leadership of my secretary.
सर लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आता घेवपा मेळटा तांकां फक्त 5 जाण आसतना जाल्यार तुमी तांकां सांगला की केन्ना म्हणसर तुमी नोटिफाय करा अशें बी म्हणून
नाही तसं त्यांना काय सांगू ना अजूनपर्यंत समजा काँग्रेस इज द मेजर पार्टी दॅट इज ऑफ 5 मेंबर्स एट प्रेझेंट म्हणटकूच त्यांचो विधिमंडळ नेता कोण हे अजून म्हाका लेटर कळून येवना
सो बट तांकां करपाक मेळटा लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन वीथ 5 मेंबर्स
ते आमची स्टडी चालू आसा
पण वन एक्चुअली 10 सो दे आर अलाउड आय थिंक ओनली 4 पीपल आर रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन
ती आमची चाचपणी सुरू आसा
केन्ना म्हणसर लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन कळपाक जाय
बाय मंडे पर्यंत कळटली